let's talk about this first, Heather, as if you are a tenant, someone who's actually renting a property. What is life going to look like over the next couple of years?
True. I think you're going to have your costs go up, obviously. I mean, fuel's up, and which impacts just about everything. I mean, we were just talking this week that flights are skyrocketing. So you have, and then you have your everyday living stuff like groceries. Grocery bills are going to be going up, right?
Mm-hmm. Already are and have been
Yes.
for a long, long time.
Yes.
Again, we've said it before, not transitory. This didn't start because of Putin, but this has been going on now, and it's been underreported, and they've been playing with the numbers like they always do. But inflation is here, and it is not quite out of control, but it's heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah. I think it's a great scapegoat, though, to say, oh, look, Putin, like, to be able to say this is all of our problems are caused by the war. So in Russia.
So if you're a tenant, you can expect your rent's going to go up. It is. So you need to prepare for that right now. So if you are renting currently, you can expect that your rent is going to go up. So 60 Minutes asks this couple who had their rent increase $400, and they were just like, wait, what happened? Well, what happened is that it was under rented for a long, long time. And then inflation happened, and you combine all of that, the market rent is obviously $400 a month higher. They just had a really good run with below market rents. And I'm here to tell you, if you feel like you've got low rent, you probably do.
Yeah.
And it's probably going to go up.
Be ready. Good point.
Get ready for it. It's going to happen.
Yeah. And I think, but one thing that's happening too that I've been seeing is wages are increasing. I mean, by and large.
Yeah, I agree with that. I don't think that they're increasing at the same pace as inflation, which is going to hurt a lot of people. And this inflation tax that is hitting America, it's going to hit middle income and low income families the hardest.
Yeah.
And so if you're in one of those and you're listening, you need to get prepared for this to happen, okay? Because it is going to happen, which I think leads into the whole ownership thing. Do you buy a house or do you rent a house? Well, it kind of depends on whether or not you want to lock in what you're paying for the house.
Yep.
Because if you buy it and you get fixed debt, you've fixed your payment, and it's not going to go up. If you continue to lease, I promise you one thing, it is going to go up. So if you've been sitting on the fence because prices are going up, I actually don't think that's going to change in the near future. But rents are going to go up pretty dramatically, I feel like.
Yeah, I agree. And we've been seeing it. I met with a builder in Oklahoma City last summer, and he said they were getting 10% rent increases a month. So it was going up for a solid, 4 or 5 months. And they were used to be $1 a square foot, and now they're pretty much $1.30 a square foot. So it just climbed pretty quickly.
Yeah. So on 1,000 square foot place, if you guys want to do the math, that's $300 difference. That's a humongous swing. It's not insignificant. When you go up 30% on a property, it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.